We're going to join classic granny squares directly while crocheting. The first granny square is made completely, with all its rounds finished. From the second granny square onward, we stop before the final round. That last round will be worked at the same time as we join it to the first granny square. To begin, crochet the final round of the new granny square as usual until you reach the side that will connect. When you come to a chain space on that side, make part of the stitch, then slip stitch into the matching chain space of the completed granny square. This replaces the chain you would normally make. After the slip stitch, continue crocheting the next stitches of your granny square. Work like this along the side, joining space by space. Each slip stitch connects the new granny square neatly to the finished one. Once the side is joined, continue crocheting around the other edges of the granny square in the regular way. When you need to add a third granny square, again crochet until the final round. Then join it to the previous motif by repeating the same process. If it's joining on two sides, you will connect each side as you go, one after the other. This method creates a continuous, seamless join. It saves time because you don't need to sew granny squares together later. And it keeps the piece flat and flexible, with a neat finish. Keep repeating these steps each time you add a new granny square. By the end, you'll have a beautiful project made of granny squares, all joined together as you crochet.